this hair, this install got some bragging rights. Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Caprielannissa, and today we are going to be talking about Vallbest Hair, which is this lovely hair that I have installed on my head, how I like it and everything. So if you guys are interested in watching this video and learning more about this hair, then definitely stay tuned. I am going to tell you guys a little bit more about the details on this hair. I would like to say that I do happen to enjoy this hair a lot. I actually installed it using a crochet part method. If you guys would like to know a little bit more about how I install that, I do have that video linked right here, so be sure to watch that video if you're interested in saving your leave out, because I am a natural girl and I do believe in saving my hair and not frying it off. You definitely want to consider watching that video, save your leave out, and life literally has been changed since I have done this install this way. I literally have no worries about my leave out not blending, or if I'm gonna have some sort of heat damage. So those are the type of things that I put into consideration when applying this type of method in my head. I think it's the best thing ever. So I will be doing my installs for sew-ins this way from here on out. I hope this definitely helps you out, because it definitely did for me. Okay, today we are going to be doing a hair review from Aliexpress. I know a lot of people have to be going on Amazon for hair, but that's not the place we need to be searching for hair, because these hairs that we're getting from Aliexpress are overseas. I feel like they're a lot better in quality versus what you would get on Amazon, and it's been an extremely long time since I've ordered from Aliexpress, but I recently ordered some hair from Aliexpress and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's dive right on into this video. The vendor that I purchased from is called Vallbest Official Store on Aliexpress. Shipping came really fast, 3 days with USPS, and this is how it came packaged in this little cute kind of waterproof-ish drawstring bag. It comes with an inventory sheet, so I could get a free wig if I choose to participate in this particular thing here, so that's pretty cool. They also sent over a wig cap. We also love wig caps. We love something. You know, it's the thought that counts with these. And then we have the bundles. They're packaged like this. It has the sizing of it, and I got it in the color 1B, as you can see. It does have the rubber band around the top part here and the little plastic baggies. So I'm gonna empty out these baggies real quick and I can show you guys. The hair does come in a hair net, and this is the loose wave, if I haven't stated before. I think this is a gorgeous pattern. Like, I always love curly hair. Not super duper curly hair, but like something that has some sort of body and curl to it, that I know for sure that when I curl, the curl will probably most likely stay and stick versus it dropping a few hours later. So that's one reason why I always gravitate towards a wavy type texture hair. This is a Brazilian texture, just in case you are wondering. The hair does not have any scent to it, which I love. We all love that, because nothing's worse than installing some stinky hair. I'm gonna take this little thing off of it. I love the fact that it has this like attachment. You know, sometimes they do it through your wefts, which I'm not a fan of, but they put it just on these little pieces here that I just slid it off, as you guys saw there, which is awesome because I know my bundles are not affected. This is how my bundles are looking. They are pretty small, but that's, you know, kind of normal for a 26 inch. This is 26 inches, by the way. Yeah. I'm gonna slide back so you guys can see its full glory. So this is the 26 inch. I am 5'1", and that baby is long. I do like the fact that it's not super thin on the ends, as you guys can see. hope it focuses in a little more. But it's very nice and thick in density. I can't wait to install this hair. I'm gonna unravel it just to see if I notice any other things. You see your factory lengths and threads in here. I don't know if you guys can see any of the little threads that are shown in this weft. Open it up for you guys. That's some beautiful hair. Are we gonna get any shedding? I haven't got any shedding lately, you guys, on this hair, by the way. So that's a good sign. Oh, I saw one strand. One. We don't know how things are gonna be once we start cutting the wefts, because I am planning to do a sew-in with this particular hair. So, very excited about that. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. I'm also going to be doing a sew-in with a crochet heart. So I'm excited about that. So leave out has been a struggle for me, and oh man. This is heavy, y'all. Look at the bundles there. I got 4 bundles for $133 all together. That is an amazing price, especially for the lengths that I got as fast as I did, and I'm very, very excited for the end results to happen. So yeah, you guys see how bouncy the hair is. It's very soft, very, very, very soft, very thick on the ends. I don't think this hair will disappoint. Very, very excited. If you guys want to know more about this hair and how it holds up, how I install this, you guys stay tuned for the next video. If you guys stayed this far, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe. It is free, and comment down below if you guys are Amazon shoppers or Aliexpress shoppers, what type of textures you guys are interested in seeing and what videos I should do next. So stay tuned on how I install this hair. This hair is so soft and so nice. However, there are some ins and outs. There are pros and cons to everything. Everything in this world, there are pros and cons. Cons, I would say that if the hair doesn't have any like product on the hair, it does tend to get a little frizzy. That's one thing that I will say about this hair. It does seem to, you know, just have a little frizzy ends, and it kind of like just looks like sparse towards the end. You know how it is with extensions, and if it's not like any serum or anything like that, it's kind of just, you know, going crazy. It's not anything that would be like a tangled nest or anything like that, because this hair definitely has minimal tangling, minimal shedding. I've had this hair installed for what, maybe 3 weeks now. Absolutely loving it, absolutely loving it. My hair has a huge break. I have no issues, no problems. We all love that. We all love protective hairstyles. This hair happens to cooperate very well when washing. I did wash my hair. I'm gonna put a clip in for you guys just to see how exactly I washed and maintained this type of hairdo with the crochet method, just because you don't want to kind of like scrub when it comes to your parting, especially if you install it crochet method, because you will mess up and mess this whole part up and may have to do it again. You might have to touch it up or something like that, but I'm just showing you guys exactly how I went about it. The curls, let's talk about curling the hair and how it holds with heat. It does curl, obviously. It curled when you guys, it was curled when you guys saw it. It has beautiful curls. These curls tend to last for, I would say, maybe a day or 2. You won't get a long week's worth of curls, heat curls at that, with this hair, because it does tend to drop unless you use like some sort of like overnight heatless protective curling rods, flexi rods, something like that of that sort. So you will be able to maintain it using those type of rollers if you decide to choose to use those. Now, when it comes to doing like those bigger volume curls, like with the barrels, and you set it, there is a video where I did do juicy curls, and I'll link that here so you can kind of like see where that happened, it's kind of an error for me because I had to redo my hair in that video because I literally felt like I wasted my time during that process. I literally took the time out to section by section this hair off, to curl it with the hot barrel. I think it was maybe like a 2-inch barrel size. I pinned it all in place. I hairsprayed it just so that I had some sort of insurance of myself, just to make sure that my curls would stay. And this hair did not, well, I would say it did not. It took the curl, but don't brush it with a brush. Let me just say that, because I didn't comb it with a comb. I brushed it with a brush, and it started doing its own little thing. It started falling. I didn't get the results that I wanted. So I would probably suggest maybe doing the heatless method, where you have to have the huge little roller at the top and kind of like just rolling it back overnight and let that sit, just to get that va-va-voom look, because that's what I wanted, and I didn't get it using a hot tool. So I just wanted to keep that in mind. This does happen to take better curl with tighter curls. So as you guys can see, these are just wand curls that I put in my hair. It looks absolutely stunning. I love the way it looks. It looks flawless. Like I said, minimal tangling. Even though I cut the wefts, it's still minimum shedding. Like, you know, I know you guys know when it comes to like extensions and brushing out the hair, you probably see like clumps and clumps of hair coming out. With this hair, I don't have that issue whatsoever, and I still cut the weft. So I think that's an awesome thing. I did not color this hair. It comes in a 1B color. I just wanted something natural, nothing black or anything like that, because when I first got this hair, I wasn't too sure if I was going to do a leave out. But because I didn't do a leave out, I feel like anything's possible, because the crochet method helps blend it all in. As you guys can see how the crochet method looks on my hair, it looks like a natural partings there. You guys would never know it's not my hair. This is growing from my scalp, as you guys can see. I did that. You guys make sure you watch that video on how to install that hair, because it's a life changer. It's a life changer. All I can say is you're welcome. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I installed a 26, 24, 22, and a 20 in my hair. When it came to the ends, it was a little bit fuller when I saw in the beginning, but as days went on where the hair kind of fell and I saw it for the straightness, I had to cut about 2 inches off, so it's back down to 24, I would say, give or take, just because I did not like those see-through ends when, you know, days were rough and I just had to just like toss my hair up like really quick. Because I did that, my ends look a lot healthier and they look a lot neater. So just in case if that applies to you. If I had to give this store a rating for their hair, I would give it a 9. I would definitely give it a 9. 8.5, 9. Because of the curl, the barrel curls. I love my 2-inch barrel curl. Like, if I can't have that 2-inch barrel curl, then you're definitely gonna get some points marked off. But other than that, it curls beautifully with the wand. It curls beautifully with the flexi rods. But if you want to do more with the bigger barrels, I don't know how that'll go. You might have to try doing that heatless, or letting it sit a little bit longer and try combing it with a comb. I have nothing really bad to say. After washing the hair, it was very, very soft. Very manageable. I didn't even want to do anything to it just because it was just so baby doll soft, and it didn't have much shedding. It had your typical shedding, if not less than what you would think is normal. So I would say that is all awesome perks for this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna give you guys a good little, this is what the curls look like. Absolutely stunning, absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, this part. Look at that part. I love my part. It's something to brag about. This hair is definitely worth bragging about, and how I installed it. Yeah, I'll probably mention it a good 2 or 3 more times up in this video, because this hair, this install got some bragging rights. I would definitely recommend this hair, especially for the price. I will be ordering hair from them again. I hope this video was very helpful for choosing a vendor on AliExpress. This video is also not sponsored. I did spend my own money on this hair. My opinions are my own. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to know a little bit more about this install, click one of these videos here. Your pick.